The second point that I kind of wanted to talk about is we continuously improve. And I wanted to use an example. I had, earlier this year, was looking at the fact that in engineering, build times had gone, so you code it and then you actually have to build it before you can actually test it. And build times had gone from 2 hours to actually 6 hours and 6 hours plus. When you have 200 engineers and you're doing about 1,400 builds a week, that's a lot of inefficiency. And so went to the team and said, you guys, you've got to get this back down to the 2 hours. Don't know how over probably the past year it had gone, but that's a huge, 4 hours plus on 200 developers, 1,400 builds is a lot of wasted time and effort. And so we had 1 quarter, we said we had to get it down to 2 hours. We got it down to 2 hours, not for every build, but we figured out how to do it. And then in the next quarter, we actually productionalized it so that the majority of the builds happened within that 2 hours. What I've said is, now that's great, we got back to where we should have been, now let's get down to 30 minutes and 20 minutes. So by the end of Q1, we will actually be down to 30-minute builds. And when you think about the productivity to the engineering, to the time to market benefits that means to our business units, and that is just one example. We probably have about 15 examples right now of significant programs that we have in engineering actually to continually improve, to do what we call continually raising the bar. And so 2 kind of examples of the way in which we run engineering at eBay.